Hello, word friends. Welcome back to another episode 1. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are diving into a great word. It's bat, a C1 level verb meaning to hit something. So, what does bat really mean? Well, it refers to striking something forcefully, usually with a stick or a similar object, and we mostly use it when talking about sports like baseball or cricket. You might say someone bats the ball. Let's explore some synonyms. Words like hit, for example, he hit the ball out of the park, or strike, such as the bird struck the window. Now, for some antonyms, words that express the opposite meaning. We have miss, like he missed the target completely, or fail, for example, she failed to bat the ball properly. In everyday life, we often hear bat used in expressions like he batted away the flies, or she batted her eyelashes at him. Think about how often we use the word bat when talking about sports, like the player batted the ball with great force, or the team needs a stronger bat. Sometimes we might use it more metaphorically, like she batted down the argument with solid facts. And we could say something like, the moth batted against the window pane at 7 p.m. So, to wrap up, bat is a versatile word meaning to hit something, often used in sports. We learned the synonyms hit and strike, contrasting it with antonyms miss and fail, along with some real-world uses. Thank you for joining me, folks. Please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps other listeners find our show and benefit from learning together. And lastly, don't forget to create your own sentence about bat and leave it as a comment below this video. I'm excited to see what you come up with.